Good morning to all. Welcome to all in online maths class. Today we will start Unit 8, that is time and calendar. Children, you are much familiar with these two words, time and calendar. But before starting this chapter, I would like to explain the actual meaning of time and calendar. Let us start now. Time. Time is defined as the sequence of actions or events that take place in the present, past, future, and it is measured using seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, and years. Next, calendar. Calendar is a list that shows the days, weeks, and months of a particular year. Suppose that there is a calendar of 2020. We can see the days, weeks, and months of a particular year, means 2020 year. We can see each and everything like days, weeks, and months. Next, leap year. Leap year is one which is divisible by 4. I have taken an example, 2020. We will divide this year by 4. 4 5s are 20. There is no remainder here. Again we will write 2. Then after we will put 0 in quotient, and after that we will write 0 from dividend. Again we will read 4 5s are 20. There is no remainder. It means 2020 is a leap year. In leap year, total number of days are 366, and in common year, total number of days are 365. Next, total number of Sundays in a year, that is 53. Shortest month of the year, that is February, 28 or 29 days. In leap year, 29 days, and in general year, common year, 28 days in February. After 4 years, there is a leap year. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 1 day equal to 24 hours. 1 year equal to 12 months. 1 decade equal to 10 years. Decade in Hindi meaning dasak. 1 century, that is 100 years. In Hindi meaning century, that is shatabdi. Next, clock. A clock is a device which is used to measure, keep, and indicate time. A clock has 3 hands. Hour hand, that is short hand. Minute hand, that is long hand. And last, second hand. When time will be on 12 noon to 12 night, we will write PM, post meridian, after time. Like 11 o'clock, 11 PM means night. When time will be on 12 night to 12 noon, we should write AM, anti-meridian, after time. When we will write 11 AM means 11 AM in the morning or in the day. That's all for today. Look here children, this is a calendar of 2020. In this calendar, the total number of days in the month of February is 29, which means it is a leap year. We will read about this in our book also. Children, all of you look your book. Time and calendar that is Unit 8. Look here children, this is a calendar of 2020 which is a leap year. Name of the months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Look here children carefully. In February, total number of days, that is 29. It means 2020 is a leap year. Let us start now. As we know, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes and 1 year equal to 12 months, which we have already studied in class 3 also. Let us recall time and calendar. Draw the minute hand and the hour hand of the clock as per the given time. Time is given here, that is 5 o'clock. This is hour hand, that is short hand, and this is minute hand, that is long hand. Hour hand, it is on 5 because that is 5 o'clock. Next, 9:15. Hour hand, that will be on 9 and 15. Minute hand, that will be on 3 because a minute hand takes 5 minutes to move from one digit to another digit. When this minute hand will be on 12 and when it will come on 1, it will take 5 minutes. Then after 5, 10, 15, that is 9, 15. 12:30. Our hand is between 12 and 1 and minute hand is on 6, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Time is 12:30. Now come in next question. How many minutes does the minute hand take to move from? As I have told in question, 12 to 5. When minute hand will be on 12, it will take 25 minutes to come on 5 because 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. In this way, you can solve another questions. 12 to 10, that is 50, 2 to 4, 10, like this. Now come in next question. Write the time shown on each clock. Clock is given here, you have to write time. Hour hand is between 2 and 3, that is 2, and minute hand is on 7, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. You can solve another question through this method. Now come in next question. Draw the hour hand and minute hand to show the given time. Time is given here. You have to draw minute hand and hour hand. 3:20, 5:30, 7:05. Next, write as AM or PM. 7:30 in the morning, that will be AM as I had told earlier. 12 noon to 12 night you will write PM, and 12 night to 12 noon you will write AM. In the morning, AM. In the night, PM. Afternoon, 1:40 in the afternoon, that will be PM. 2:25 in the night, that will be AM. 11:45 at night, that is PM. And 20 minutes past 10 in the morning, that will be AM. And 11:59 in the morning, AM. Next, fill in the blanks with AM or PM. I go to play at 4 PM. Obviously, play in the evening. So we will write here PM. Go to bed at 10:30 PM. At night, my grandma goes to temple at 7:30 AM in the morning. Morning, that's why we'll write here AM. And my father listens to TV news at 9 PM in the night. night, so we will write here PM. Look here children, how will we count number of days? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January 31st, February 28 or 29, March 31st, April 30, May 31st, June 30, July 31st, again August 31st, September 30, October 31st, November 30, December 31st. It means upper portion will be on 31st and lower portion will be on 28, 29 or 30. Now look here. How many days are there in a month in which the following important days fall? Republic Day, that is 26th of the January. In January, total number of days 31st. Teachers Day, September, total number of days 30. Christmas, December, 31. Independence Day, August, 31. Children's Day, November, 30. We have to write total number of days in these months. Now come in next page. Fill in the blanks. 1 day equal to 24 hours. As we have known, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 120 minutes equal to 2 hours. As we know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, then after 2 hours equal to 60 into 2, that will be 120 minutes. December has 31 days. June comes after the month of May, and in a year 4 months have 30 days. Do you know direction in which the hands of a clock move is called clockwise direction, like this? In next class we will know about leap year. That's all for today.